Hi, today I would like to show you the way to earn money advertising on your car to get paid like $452 per month easy. So this video is really going to awesome if you live in a country like USA and you are having a really good conditions car, and you can just go on and install it and work with it, and it's a passive way, just set and forget, and you are making money like every month. So you are paying gas fees every month, like 2000 2k or 3k dollar are spending every month on gas fees. So if you just avail this opportunity and you are making like $452 per month, then it's like covering your cost, overall cost of your gas fees, so that you can just move with your vehicles like free. So this video is only for you if you are fall in this category. So without wasting any more time, the site I'm about to showing you is called Rapify.com. Yes, this is Rapify.com is a really good site in the USA based company that is providing opportunities for all the companies and brands and agencies to advertise on private vehicles and people's vehicles. And no matter what type of vehicles you are, they have some categories and conditions as well. So if you go through their conditions as well, so that you can learn more with details about it, so you can just go through this website. You can see that they are trusted by world number one and biggest brands out there. So there is no way that you're not going to get paid from it. So this is a really cool website and really cool way to earn a passive income with using your cars online. So if you have any car, and that is not the condition, is you have to have some models of your car, so you can just move on. You can just install those apps and verify that your car is qualified for that, and you just simply need a car with any damages. So the car need to be a pure like new, or simply just don't have any cracks around that it. So that this is the conditions, this is the first conditions of it to go on, and then you can just apply as a driver, and you simply just go on and apply it, and they will sticker your car, they will wrap your car with some advertising stickers, and so that you can just make money. So you can just install it, just send your phone number, and they will send you the app link, or you can download it from Google App or Apple Store. So simply is that you just go on and move on like that. So if you want to work as a driver, they have some two links for brand and agency who want to provide ads, or the first driver who want to stick their ads on their cars or vehicles. So if you just click on for drivers, it will load this page, and you can see, you can learn more about how easily you can earn money in this process. So earn hundreds per month, no upfront cost, fast, simple and easy according to their statement. Simply download the Rapify app and get started in no time. So you can see that this is the way your car should look like. So they have some four options like it, like you have a full options of partial ad, full ad, light ad, or static ad. So these are all four type of apps. So static means it's just a minimum ads on your glasses as well only. So and they have a static ads on your rooftop, that is like a billboard on it. So this is the conditions. Or light ad means simple light advertising, and partial is means simply just covering on like 50 to 60% of your car, and full means and totally they will wrap your cars with advertising and so on. So this looks like simply amazing. So if you like it to go, you can go. If you don't like this, just your opinion, your decisions. So I think this is a really good way. Your car will really look really amazing in this way, so that why not making money with that. And the important part is, if you are worrying about damaging your car paints, it's not to worry about it. So simply you just these stickers are really safe for your vehicle. You can just apply those stickers, and you can remove it at any time you want without any causing any damage to your car or paints and as well anything else. So simply this is safe and pure way, and you can see that if you just provide full advertising, you can make like $452 per month, really easy. So this is really awesome and easy process to make money. You can see these videos of drivers already using this service, and you can learn more about it, and you can just get motivated from that videos. So just simple 3-step process: just get the app, download the app, install the app, and become a driver simply. Then finalize your profile, just some few steps on those apps, and simply you will get receiving offers if you are living in a high crowded and highly top tier cities, top tier areas in this country. So simply this is the important thing: you have to move on regularly, frequently with your vehicles on within through busy traffic, busy crowded areas, and very top tier areas in cities, so that those advertisements gets more eye, and the companies get benefited from that. That's the way companies going to pay you, and then you can make money on it. So this is the case, and that they are tracking your vehicles so that they can decide whether you go through, whether this advertising campaign is successful or not. Simply this is the way you make money, so that the earning is not, it varies from $264 to $452. So this is the all, this is the catch here. You simply go there and apply it and earn money with your vehicles. That's easy money. You just move with your vehicles tension free, and you just simply, if you just don't want to use it, you can just remove those stickers and get out from this business. So this is the way it is. If you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on Money Horn, and new videos are going to be uploaded daily. See all those videos and you will get motivated on your make money online journeys as well. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.